Hi guys and girls, this is Pallavi Priyadashini and I'm from Odisha, that is the state in the eastern part of India, and this is my channel, that is the Programming Chance, and this channel is all about spreading the Python knowledge to people who actually want to have knowledge about that. And if you are I would say if you are a Python developer, if you are an aspiring Python developer, I believe you should choose this channel to watch about various videos. Like I come with videos about deployment, about code implementation, about other aspects, setting up stuffs. So I would request you to watch my channel and let me know about various stuffs that you want to know so that I could come up with content like that. So this is an introductory video, and I hope you will enjoy watching my channel. And yeah, thank you, and please watch my channel. Thank you.